Matt with Gone Restorations. I'm here on Mr. Clayborn's house. I'm here to perform a repairability test. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. You can see where he's got a lot of damaged shingles on this slope. Had to tarp that. We're gonna show the condition of the shingle. We have attempted to repair, so please bear with me. We're gonna go ahead and get started. All right, so it's this shingle right here. I'm gonna go ahead and get it unsealed. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Do the ones above it. Okay. There we go. All right. Go ahead and get this done as well. Always seal the ones above it. All right. I will go ahead and start prying the nails out. And I am using the State Farm / Allstate recommended roof snake. Just put the pry bar back. Actually, I'll just hold it. Just give that to Josh. It is a little windy, bear with me. All right, let's get started. Okay, first nail's right here. One nail out. Wow, I'll just put it in my bag real quick. And then I'm gonna go to the next one. I'm just trying to make sure I'm hitting that right on it. Not bending the shingles more than the recommended 45 degrees. Okay. Okay, got that one. That nail's right there. Okay, got that nail. There should be one more nail on this side, and then I have to do the top row of nails. Yep, so we got one more right here. That was in there. Pull, yeah. It's hitting another shingle. There we go. All right, I got that nail, and then I'm gonna go ahead and work on the nails above that. So there should be nails right here. Okay. One more nail here. There we go. Sneak that through. Okay. Also got that nail. And there should be just one more nail. Okay. That should be this one. Alrighty, so I'll just go ahead and pull that one out because the nail is already loose. I'm gonna slide the shingle out. Alrighty. Trying to be very careful but also efficient. And we have the new shingle here. And we'll go ahead, actually hand me that one. We got some paper on that one. And we are gonna slide this bad boy underneath it. Like a glove. Alrighty, this is the closest color we can find. So, alrighty, everything lined up, and I will go ahead and get started nailing the shingle. Yeah. There we go. Okie dokie. Now, there already is a little bit of damage from, you know, prying it up, taking it out. Right now, I'm just grabbing some nails. There. I have some fresh nails. Alrighty. So, I'll start with the bottom row. Ooh. It's hit my finger. Yep. Just go ahead and pull that back out. I'll redo it. Oh, see that bad boy? Sometimes that happens in our line of work. All right. There we go. All right, that is in there. And we go get and grab another fingernail, replace that while I'm at it. I just grew that nail back too. What a shame. All right, that's laying flat. Grab the next nail. Make sure it's. There we go. That's laying flat. Grab another nail. Sometimes if they have a bent head, it'll slip, but. Another nail.
Thank you, sir. If you wouldn't mind, you can throw it in the bed of my truck.
Sorry, the neighbor's talking right now. Give me 1 second. I know. But for the video, I need it. My finger. Okay. That shingle is there. Now I do have to put the, as you can see, I'll show you. A lot of people think we don't lift the second row shingles. You do have to, because you do have nails that go through the top right here. So I will then now reinstall the top nails. It should only be 4. Okay. 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 It's laying flat. On to the next one. Okay. Nails in. Just fishing for some nails. Don't mind me. Okay. Alright, and that nail's in. There's one more. Just grab this nail. Let's make sure I'm not missing any. Okay. I think there's one more. Nope. One more right there. All right. Now that you can see the repair is complete, this is what it's doing on every shingle that we repair. You have damage here, 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 here. I'm not swiping anything. You even have some right here. So, you know, based on our experience, you know, we do a lot of repairs. We will repair roofs, but when it creates more damage, you know, it's kind of a lost cause. So, thank you. Bye.